Good morning, Ria from Maisie Moo. I'm excited to jump on today to show you this new design that's been added to the store. It is a Maisie's set. I've done it as a set because it's obviously all under the same theme, which is mouse ears. I'm thinking of maybe doing cat ears and different ideas, but we'll see how this one goes. Now, it's made up of 4 parts. You've got a chapstick holder. You can see here you've got your lanyard photo ID holder there. I've got a wee keychain or a bag charm, and you've got a cord tidy. Now I'm not going to show you how these are all sewn up. I will put links in the description below for, in the YouTube description to link to similar projects that will, if you're having trouble sewing. But I'll quickly go through what I've done with each one now so that you have an idea. Now this is the chapstick or lip balm holder. It is very similar to the one that I created at Christmas time. Again, I'll link to it. This has a tag which is actually part of the back template piece, and it just simply folds over. It's got holes in it, and then you sew through there. Now you can add your hardware after if you've got a split ring, or when you're sewing this together you want to make sure your hardware, especially if it's something like this, is added as you sew. This is a simple stitch all the way around and back again. I made sure I started under these 2 layers here so that the knot was hidden and it's not catching. But this is a real cute wee addition to the set, so we'll pop that there. Now next is the cord tidy. This is super explanatory and easy to make. It's just in the shape of the ears. It folds over and you snap that together. Perfect for headphones or your charging cords. You've got also this little plump keychain or bag charm. Now you could probably make this a little bit bigger if you wanted to. You could go, I think this is about 3 inches. Let's have a look. Not quite, just under 3, but you could probably go to 3 or 3.5 without the holes getting too big. It comes with the bow. This is also a design where one side has a tab and it folds over and you just sew through it. Again, you want to attach your hardware as you before you're sewing if it's sort of one of these sort. Lastly, we have the ID card holder. Now this is made up of 2 parts. Again, you've got the front, which has got, take that off, you can see it's all just one piece. It folds over. In this case I don't have the holes, I have a snap, because you need to be able to get your card from the back in and out. Now it also has an acetate sheet in there, and you'll see that shape is included in with the template pieces. And all I did was, before I sewed this together, is I got some glue and I sort of just put a few spots of glue to hold it over the shape at the front, and then all I've done is go around again, and I started on the sides where it won't get caught, or even in the ear you can start. It doesn't matter where, just somewhere where, probably not down here because you don't want it bulking up. And then I just stitched around and then stitched back. And then all you do with this is, once you've got your card in there, you can then close it with the snap closure. So there we have it. We've got 4 different designs. They're all really very similar in the way that they're sewn. Everything is sewn together using you can see this is a large eyed needle that I use, and it will be linked in the floss as well. It's all linked in the instructions that you receive when you purchase this set. So I think I've covered everything there. If you do have any questions, you can reach out to me. I'm happy to answer anything, but I look forward to seeing your creations. Thanks, bye.